Today I'll be showing you how to install side skirts on your F80 or F82 BMW. I bought this kit on Amazon. It's gloss black, but there are carbon fiber options available as well. It came with 2 side skirts, screws, and some adhesive tape. Tools I used include an impact driver, box cutter to make removing the tape easier, and a microfiber towel. You can also use a drill to pre-drill holes under the car before you insert the screws. Everything you need is linked in the video description. I started by cleaning the bottom of the car really well. After that, I also cleaned the side skirts. And you can do a test fit after this to get an idea of how everything will line up before you actually lay the tape on. The next step is to lay the adhesive tape down on the side skirt. After that, you peel the plastic off. I used a box cutter to make removing that easier. The side that has this edge sticking out is the side that will be going to the rear of the car. I used some pieces of wood to hold the side skirt in position. There is a little edge under the car that the side skirt will push against. This is how you know you got it in the correct position. Make sure it is sitting flush with the bottom of the car. After this, you can pre-drill some holes if you want and then start screwing the bolts in that came with the kit. I put a few in the rear and then moved to the front and lined everything up and put some in there too. And then screw in the rest of the bolts, and after that just repeat this whole process on the other side of the car. That's it. Pretty easy install. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and check out the channel for more simple installs like this one. I did also do a diffuser, lip, spoiler, and some other simple DIY upgrades.